This beautiful woman posted her base makeup routine and it was stunning, so we're gonna try it. She starts by taking a bright concealer right here and on her chin and down her nose and right here. Then she takes a darker shade of concealer right in between these spots and then around this part of the concealer. Then she takes some foundation and kind of applies it where she would apply her contour and on the forehead. Then she blends out her concealer using a brush and she kind of just taps it in and then doing the same thing for the rest of the concealer. Then we are baking that concealer. Then we're going in with bronzer in these areas. I put some on my forehead and then we're going around the chin. Then she goes in with a powder that's similar to her skin tone. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Filter and we're just gonna wipe away the baking with this powder. Then we're applying blush to the nose and the cheeks. I just quickly finished the rest of my makeup. This technique is stunning. However, she pulled it off way better than I did, so make sure you watch her tutorial.